What's going on, guys? Sean here. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to give you 5 different ways on how you can start living your best life. So if you're ready, let's get into it.
Nerf this!
So I know you're excited to start increasing the quality of your life, so these should really help you to do so. And I'll start you off with number 1. Number 1 is to be adaptable. Learn to go with the flow. Not everything's gonna go as you anticipate or as you expect, but the more that you can expect the unexpected or learn to not get your hopes up or lower your expectations of others, the more you will live a better quality of life. With that being said, just learn to go with the flow. Just roll with it, roll with the punches, learn to enjoy life, and don't sweat the small stuff, all right? It's early, it's Thursday, I don't have to go into the office today, which is always a good thing, so let's get some coffee. Cheers. Pumpkin spice on deck. Happy November. Let's go. So I'm working on getting caffeinated right now. I just finished editing Friday's video. This video will obviously go up on Monday, and I also have to film the end of the month recap today because it is November 1st and I gotta get that out today. So I'll film and edit that today, and I'll probably edit this sometime over the weekend. But I don't really know what the plan is for today. It was supposed to rain, although it looks like it's going to be sunny, but you never know with New England. If you don't like the weather, you just wait 10 minutes. The forecast has changed 3 times. Starting on Monday, it was supposed to be like sunny and 75, then it was supposed to rain, and now I don't know what the heck's going on. It's like cloudy, then it's sunny, then it's cloudy, so who knows. But it's just a day of filming and editing and getting some stuff done for the channel. But I also gotta run to Dorchester and pay a bill. Lily's car got dinged up and I have to go pay for that. So I'll probably shoot over there at some point today and just get that over and done with. So I think I'm gonna get changed, shower, see if I can dress appropriately for whatever weather's coming, and let's keep it rolling, baby. Okay, now that I'm all changed up, time for the finishing touch. Got these at Nordstrom. I think they're pretty cool. I like them. I'm just wearing this shirt from Live Fit. Got some jeans on from Primark and these boot shoes that I got from Target. I'm gonna go to the bank, get the money out, go over to Dorchester, pay for Lily's car, and we'll catch up over there.
To sleep at night, tell me lies. I just wanna know the truth. Do or die. Is it me or is it you? You can say I haven't tried to cross this great divide. Your feelings come and go, but I still love you so. There is nothing I won't do to make this.
Okay, so I'm here at the body shop right now. I gotta go pay for Lily's car, but I'm gonna give you the second tip real quick. And the second tip is to learn to say no. And that was a big step for me because I am a yes man. I usually say yes to everything, but when I accepted the fact that, you know, I have to do what I have to do and I have to take care of myself first and my family first, it made my life so much better. I was so much happier, not always feeling the pressure to say yes to every single thing that came my way. And a big part is I didn't want to disappoint anyone by saying no to them, but there's just things. It's a train. But sometimes just saying no in the first place makes it easier for both sides. So learn to say no to things that you don't necessarily want to do or that you don't have to do. It's different if your boss tells you to do something at work or something like that, but you know, when your friends want you to go out drinking or something like that and you really don't feel like it, don't feel obligated to say yes. Learn to say no and you will have a better quality of life. So let me go pay for this and I'll catch up with you after that. Alright, so I'm glad to have that out of the way. Now it's time to get home.
Darling, you can walk away, but I keep coming back.
gorgeous out right now. It's like warm enough to just wear a t-shirt. I don't need a coat right now with the sun shining. If the sun goes away, that might be a different story, but I just stopped at CVS. I got some LaCroix, some sparkling water, because it's a little bit too early for me to break my fast, but I'm getting kind of hungry, so I'm gonna use this as a filler. So I'm almost home. I'm gonna get there, and when I get there, I will give you the next tip. Okay, so we're back home. It is so gorgeous out that I wanted to film this segment outside. I can't believe it's November 1st and I'm wearing a t-shirt. This is just absolutely crazy, but it's New England for you, man. So the third tip to live a better and happier life is to have patience, and this is something I myself have to work on, not only in my personal life, but also in my business. I just want everything done yesterday. In my personal life, I get very impatient while driving, and in my business, I want to see the results yesterday. I do know that things take time and things are going to take longer than you expect. A lot of times people will overestimate what you can do in a year, but they'll underestimate what you can do in 10 years. So you got to have that big picture focus and know that things take time and not everything is going to happen overnight. Most overnight successes are 10 years in the making, so learn to enjoy the process is what I'm getting at. Because if you think things are gonna happen overnight and you don't enjoy the journey, you won't be fulfilled. So learn to enjoy the process, learn to enjoy the journey, and have some damn patience. And I'm talking to myself and you guys. So let's get inside. I'm gonna crush a couple seltzer waters, and I think I'm gonna start setting up to film my end of the month recap. So I'll kind of give you guys a little behind the scenes tour of what I use in addition to the cameras, you know, when I'm filming, just like kind of like a talking head video. All right, so let's keep it rolling. All right, guys, so this is the basement where I'm gonna film the end of the month recap. You know, kind of like a little man cave. Got the Boston representing right there. Got the painting, and this is all I'm using, guys. 2 box lights, this tripod, and obviously I'm just gonna flip this camera around and use that. But I guess what I'm just trying to say is here, you can make this work. Lily got these 2 box lights off Amazon for dirt cheap. Tripod, dirt cheap, and obviously the camera was the biggest investment, but still, my point is, you can make it work if you want to do it, alright? So I'm gonna film this end of the month recap video for you guys, and then I'll give you point number 4. So originally, I was just gonna take all this lighting down and just bring it back upstairs. But since I figured I had it all set up for you guys, why not give you tip number 4 with this great lighting shining on my beautiful face? Sounds good? I think so. So number 4, guys, to live a better and happier life is to stay away from toxic people. And guys, I know it might be very difficult to identify a toxic person, but the best piece of advice I can give you to identify a toxic person is to trust your own gut, trust your intuition. If you get a negative feeling every time you're around this person, if you don't feel comfortable around this person, if they're always talking about doom and gloom, if when they leave, everything seems to get better, I mean, those are kind of some signs that person is toxic. If they don't support your dreams, if they don't support your aspirations, if they don't support your goals, if they're always, you know, talking down to you in a demeaning way, that is a sign of someone being toxic in your life. So number 4, guys, is to stay away from toxic people or cut off toxic people from your life. And with that being said, guys, trust your gut. I mean, you guys have a sixth sense. You know a good person when you're around them enough, all right? So cut them off if they ain't doing anything for you, all right? Let's keep this video rolling. I'm gonna get some food and then keep on watching because I'm gonna give you the 5th and final tip. Let's go. So I'm gonna give this a shot. It's called Super Coffee. It's got protein and MCT oil in it. It's only 80 calories. I'm gonna give it a shot. See how it tastes. It's hazelnut flavor. I also got a mocha flavor that I'll probably try tomorrow. But I'll let you guys know how it is. I'll break my fast with this. Live taste test. That's really, really good. It has 1 gram of carb, no sugar, no added sugar, and it's super freaking sweet. Like, I can't believe how sweet this is. I think it might be the hazelnut. Wow, that's good though. It's good. Nine out of 10. So I just went ham and had a ton of food. It was great. It was like vegged out. I mean, obviously stayed within, you know, my goals and my calories and stuff, but I just had like a feast, and I just didn't even want to film. I just want to dive into the food. But I'm gonna go upstairs, and I think I'm gonna wrap this video up there with number 5. Probably start to edit some of this stuff for you guys. Let's go. Okay, so the 5th and final tip on how to live a better and happier life is to not care what other people think. And I know, guys, I know it's difficult, especially for those still in school, the younger guys. I know it's a challenge because you do, at that age, really value other people's opinion and you want public approval. I get it, but if you're not concerned what other people are thinking of you, that's not going to hold you back from doing anything that you want to do. You want to be a good person. You don't want to just be like a scumbag that just doesn't care at all. But with that being said, you can't let someone's opinion hold you back from doing anything you want to do. If you don't care what other people think, you're going to do what you want to do and do what you need to do in order to get where you want to be. So let's just say, for instance, you want to start a YouTube channel and you're afraid that your friends will make fun of you if you start it. Well, guess what? That's holding you back. You need to not care what they think. Still to this day, I walk around with a camera, people beeping the horn at me, making fun of me. I'm sure my friends, you know, make fun of me for it or whatever, but you know what? I really don't care because I love it. It's what I'm passionate about. It makes me feel fulfilled. So don't let other people's opinions hold you back. So that's the 5th and final tip, guys. Don't be concerned about what other people think. I'm gonna list everything right here for you. Just a recap. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing because I do release videos just like this every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started. I also do release bonus videos at random, so make sure you got the post notifications turned on and you won't miss a thing. Thanks so much, guys. I really appreciate it. Catch you in the next one. Signing off.
But I'll keep coming back to you.